This 2022 CrossRoads Sunset Trail 212 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, TV antenna, water heater, microwave, external shower, oven, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 CrossRoads Sunset Trail 212 RB is 4,851 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.